what are you doing?
I'm painting a picture of a beach. The beach is near my grandpa's house.
You're really good at painting. You should enter an art competition. There are lots online.
Maybe, but this painting is for my grandpa. And I have to finish it this afternoon because I'm going to give it to him this evening.
Look and listen.
She's really good at painting. She should enter an art competition. The painting is for her grandpa. She has to finish it this afternoon.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. What should the girl wear on her head? That's right. She should wear a helmet. What does the driver have to do? That's right. The driver has to stop. What homework do you have to do? Well done!
Yay!
Dickory bones, he works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dickory bones, he works under rocks and stones.
Sir Doug Bones! Nice to see you. So, what time's Diggory's talk on the Sunstone?
Hello, I am. It's at 2:30, after lunch.
You've got one of the best rooms, Dad. I never have lessons here.
One day, Emily. One day.
Dad, is your talk ready? Is everything on your laptop?
Yes, Emily. I'm turning it on now. And I've got a copy on my pen drive, too.
Have you got the Sunstone here in the university, Diggory?
Yes, I can use it to explain ancient maths and technology.
Come on, Dad. It's 1:10. It's time for lunch.
Can I look under the cloth, son? Can I see the calendar?
No, Dad. It's a big surprise.
Oh.
You have to wait. Okay, let's go.
It's 3:25.
The Aztecs used one of the first math systems which the ancient Mayas invented. They used this math system to make their calendar, or sunstone.
Dad! It's the wrong photo!
What's this? I don't understand.
Press the button, Dad. Show the next photo.
What? I am greedy!
Surprise, Dr. Bones. We both know there are more secrets in the Sunstone than maths. You think you've got it, but I've got it now. If you want it, come and find me.